I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Adding a credit card to your current account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the current app. Launch the current app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once you are in the app, look for the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the settings menu, find and select the option labeled payment methods or add payment method. This is where you can manage your cards. Step 4. Add your credit card. Tap on add credit card. Enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure to double check the information to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you accidentally enter the wrong card number, you'll allow need to start over, so take your time to check the details. I hope this helps you add your credit card smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.